Hello and good morning. I am P.A. Varad Pandey. I am trainer and knowledge catalyst by profession, learning engineer and empowerment specialist. I am headquartered at Nagpur but moves throughout the country to train along the companies, students in universities and employees of the organizations. It has been a privilege to be with all these sections of cross sections of the society for their skilling and empowerment. This key idea of skilling or reskilling is putting them into the pedestal of the national level and international levels so that they can get into their vocation or the services, entrepreneurship, business, whatever they wish to, and can excel themselves in the life. They will excel themselves in the life, their family will excel itself, and ultimately the community and the nation will come to that level of supportive excellence. This empowerment and this skill development of students, teachers, employees has been immensely undertaken by Government of India and Government of Maharashtra all across many schemes. Honorable Prime Minister of India has declared Digital India, Skill India, Clean India, all these MISCI as they call it, as his mission of life. Throughout his tenure of last 7-8 years, Honorable Prime Minister's notion has been skilling, reskilling and de-learning and learning for the students, teachers, employees and society in general. This skill level has taken India and propelled us to be an essential part of entire universal acclaim. For example, around 600 students have been interned with US-based companies including NASA. Internships, projects, academic or industrial projects have been found immensely useful for the real life applications in industry. If this is taken in the proper spirit, either by the student, by the college, the faculty, for career development, internship projects can really deliver the goods for business incubation. Ultimately, this business incubation will bring up a common change into the lives of our own nationals, and this will make people to excel themselves into their own chosen careers. Professional career development and entrepreneurship, this is almost linked one. But the talent, we have much. Of course, India is full of talent, no doubt about it. The problem where it lies is the skill gap. It is between the companies or between the organization and the individual. There is a huge skill gap. If this can be bridged, and if this can be bridged with the skill empowerment, and this talent can get a direction to work themselves effectively into the national conduit of employability. This national conduit of employability skills, soft skills, life skills and project skills, I think so that in my humble opinion, if taken properly by the national level universities, students, teachers along and even society in general, can again repropel India post COVID-19 into the new normal excellence, either in companies in our country or even abroad. Universally speaking, my dear friends, India has been excelling on all the quarters. There will always be ups and downs in the life of any country, including India. So nothing is perfect in this world. We do not expect everything to be perfect. But what can be made our choice is the proper skilling of the students and teachers even. Students of all discipline, youth of all discipline, irrespective of their position, irrespective of their financial conditions, irrespective of their social status, they can be really put into this crucible of skill empowerment. This can really propel, this can really showcase the talents of rural youth particularly. The big cities, of course, we have got many resources which get tapped, used, and exploited for skill development. But particularly in rural India, it is very, very difficult for them to get into this conduit of professional excellence. Professional career mindedness, new normal, period. For the rural sectors will definitely pave a way, and rural India can look forward to give excellent youth for professional upbringing in tier 2 and tier 3 cities of the countries also. Smaller rural centers seldom get any expert or expertise to develop their own talent and skills to get the jobs, to be in business or to be in entrepreneurship. Startup India, Stand Up India, this has been the movements of the central government of India, and this has immensely been benefited by the skill development which has been offered by us. And this skill development, if properly mixed with the youth employability program, I am certain and sure that we will be definitely walking on the lines of Government of India guidelines and Honorable Prime Minister's dream of making India a very strong country as it is always. And this can pave a way, this can lay a way, and the avenues of the even foreign countries can be open, and this talent development coupled with skill development, it coupled with soft skill, particularly one thing which we lack is this professional business English communication. Professional business English communication is definitely lacked in this country, and being a language of business, it needs to be taken to the next level of the digital smart technology. Professional business English, if taken into digital smart technology, the next level, I hope that we can make wonders to this. And Indians being very sensitive, they are being so sincere. Our students and our teachers, our youth particularly, almost 65% is youth in this country. If this properly molded, shaped up into problem solving methods and skill development, I hope and believe that the day is not far when India will cater to the needs of employment market of this world soon. Thank you so much for watching. This is P.A. Varad Pandey signing off in this small pep talk. Goodbye and bye-bye.